What's up guys, so today's video I'm just gonna be showing you how to download toolbox. Okay, toolbox infinite premium. I'm gonna show you how to download toolbox infinite premium. Okay, link in description or pinned in comment. Okay, when you look at in description there's Mediafire, and then when you open the comment they are the same. Okay, so let's get started the video. Okay, so right here we started the game, but as you can see guys, they're all fake. No, they're all fake. When you install the mod they're fake, but I will teach you this time it's not fake, it's 100 real working infinite premium. You can x-ray. Okay, so let's get started. So first you will create your own world, or just go and put your own world, open your own world. Okay, so right here we have the toolbox already. Right here we have all the toolbox. This time I will show you 100% working. 100 working. It's very working. When you open your world, just go open your toolbox and then go into X-ray. X-ray, and then go click X-ray, and then go click watch ad. I'm gonna show you the unlimited infinite premium. Okay,
Introducing the new
this is
MGZST.
not, this is tutorial. Wait for it. Okay,
The new MGZST. Turbocharge your drive.
now when the ad is open, just go get it back, and then as you can see it's still unlocked, but if you close the mod and then you open it again, it's still. But I have an idea to open that. Oh, right here it's opened. Now as you can see X-ray right there, as you can see. But I have a lot of things to do, so I'm gonna show you. First you have this one, so go to infinite time, and then go get the time into that, and then you'll have an infinite. As you can see right there, it's not working because it's an infinity premium. Okay, sorry about that guys, it's just a kid. So let's go start this one, and then go got your time right there. Okay, now you have an unlimited premium. You have it, unlimited premium. Let's go, unlimited premium. Let's go. Oh, wait a minute. Oh shit, this is cool. It's even right here. It's even a real one. There, right there. But if we turn off that one, then we will find that. No. Go to infinite time and then time, go get increased like that, and then you have it infinite time. Goodbye and subscribe.